Hey guys, welcome to week 6. In case you were not aware, this week is Star Wars week because May the 4th is National Star Wars Day. That's right, May the 4th be with you. Okay, so week 6, we're getting close to the end here. So here is how things are going to roll for you this week. Photo 1, you're going to work on depth of field pictures. We're going to work on taking pictures where one object is in focus and the background is blurred, and another picture where everything is in focus. If you're using your cell phones, I would suggest using your selective focus feature in your Pro mode, if you have that. If you don't, you can always Google how to use your cell phone to take pictures as well. Okay? Another helpful tip is, say I'm going to use this mask, okay? If I want the mask to be in focus and the background to be blurred, I would take a picture with the camera close to the object, causing this to be focused and everything behind it to be blurred, okay? If you want everything to be focused, like a whole scene behind you, you need to take the picture from a distance. That will help get everything in focus. Okay? Those are your 2 tips this week, Photo 1. Photo 2, we're at the end of the semester for the most part. You guys are going to do research projects. I have given you ideas to take pictures of. Now it's your own turn to come up with ideas to take some pictures. Here are some helpful categories to get you started. Maybe you want to just explore numbers. Maybe you just want to explore colors, how they interact with each other. Complementary colors, look at the color wheel. Maybe you want to take black and white photos. Maybe you want to take animal photos. Maybe you enjoy taking pictures of food, like fast food or something. Okay? This is where you guys get to kind of pick what you want to take pictures of to turn in for the next 2 weeks. Okay? Photo 3, you're working on turning in some edited photos for me. All right? So photo 1, photo 2, and photo 3 for the next 2 weeks or for the rest of the semester, whenever you turn in photos, I want your final photos. No more raw photos 1 week and edited photos the next week. For the last 2 projects, I'm going to want your final photos turned in. Okay? Photo 1, you should be working on your photo journal, which is due the last week of school. I've got the due date set for the 18th. Photo 2, you should be working on your semester reflection paper. It is also due around the 18th. And photo 3, you should have a reflection paper as well that you should be working on. It is also due the 18th. I realize that is like a Monday or a Tuesday. I set that due date up to give you extended time to get stuff turned in late just in case. Okay? So, photo 1, new shooting project. Make sure you turn in your finalized photos. You're working on depth of field, making sure one object is in focus with the background blurred, or making sure that everything is in focus. Photo 2, you guys are working on a choice. Make sure you turn in your final edited photos as well, your finished photos. And photo 3, you're turning in new photos that are edited. Okay? Okay. That is what we are working on. Now, this week's question, since it is Star Wars week, who is your favorite Star Wars character? Or what is your favorite Star Wars movie? I love Han Solo and Luke Skywalker, and my favorite Star Wars movie would be Return of the Jedi. If you don't have an answer for either one of those, go watch some Star Wars this week. It'll be good, okay? Okay. All right. May the Force be with you, and have a wonderful week. All right. Bye, guys.